Do you sometimes not want to follow directions? Sometimes I do not follow directions right away. Directions are instructions that tell me what to do. Directions can happen at school, at home, or when I am playing. Sometimes I want to keep playing or do something else. It is okay to feel this way. I can stop what I am doing and look at the person. I can listen to the directions. I can look at visuals to help me understand the directions. I can try to follow directions right away. If I do not understand, I can ask for help. I can say, "Can you help me?" or "What do I do?" I can take a deep breath and stay calm. Following directions helps me learn and stay safe. I am doing a good job learning to follow directions. I did a great job following directions.